Hey, I gotta install this mustache guard, engine guard on my ST. But what Harley doesn't tell you that you have to buy brackets or relocation kits for the to mount them. I mean, it's these things here, but like pain in the ass. A couple things you gotta do before you do that, but I'm gonna show you. You gotta remove the entire outer fairing, all these bolts along here, because you gotta get this out, because you gotta get that bolt out, which is inside the fairing. So all this has to come off again. All right, outer fairing is off, as you can see. I gotta work on that, like I said, which is this bolt here. That one, that bar comes off. Same on this side. There's a bolt there, and that bar will then come off. This bar here will then come off. Okay, we're moving right along here. So you can see I got that bar out, which was this bar here. Now I'm trying to get in there. There's two of them to remove that bracket, to remove this bracket. That's gonna be fun. See, we got the bolts out right here. One thing I recommend is this swivel head ratchet. I think it's a 9/16. Yeah, 9/16 swivel head ratchet. Quick update. I got the crash bar on, got it on the bottom too, which wasn't that difficult. But now this hole does not line up with this hole. It's off by, I don't know, a hair. And it's gonna go in crooked, it may even strip, or just, it's not gonna work well. So I gotta lift this up a little bit, try to line that up. Pain in the ass. All right, so I finally got the OEM Harley Davidson brackets on. I routed the light through here, got it nice and tucked in there. Same on this side, looks good, nice and tucked in. Out of the way. Harley Davidson bracket back here. So far so good, almost done. Okay, finally I think I'm done here. Got the light on, got the bracket on, got the mustache guard, engine guard on. The fairings are back, fairing, the windshield. This side as well, as you can see, that's done. I think it looks pretty good with that mustache guard. So there you go. Couple days because I needed some extra parts, but you know, Harley, you got to let us know when we need extra stuff. I mean, maybe it was in there and I didn't see it, but it is what it is. It's done. I'm happy with it. So good. On to the next project.